Hi, I'm Andrew here with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the Optrel Helix, and this is the CLT model. So what I wanted to show you first off was what we're going to do in this video. We're going to go over the overview of everything on this helmet and how it works, but just check this out here. So we've got a built-in hard hat, and then also got a clear lens, and then I can slide my welding lens down and then back up. So you don't have to take the hood off, you just slide down and back up. So pretty awesome. So this helmet has the ISOFIT headgear in it, got a built-in hard hat. It's got the Panoramaxx view with CLT technology, which is the clear light technology. So what it does, it's basically like a Panoramaxx, but you can swipe up or slide that up, and you can, your welding shade goes up above your head. Pretty awesome, very unique to the market. New, first ever on the market that slides up like that and then gets out of your way, and then you got a grinding shield in the way. A lot of people out there have had good success with this, but they complain about the weight, and so that's what I want to dive into. That over here, I got one that's taken apart. Now this is the CLT model, this is actually the Quattro model, but it's also the Helix too, and you can see I got the headgear out of it. So pretty awesome how that slides up and down. I mean, it's simple too. It's and it locks up and then it locks down. Pretty awesome. So the headgear, the hard hat, it comes out. So everybody says, oh man, it's got a lot of weight. Now, it's no more heavier. It's not heavier than any other helmet with a hard hat adapter in it. It's actually the same, but you can take this out. So I could take that hard hat off of this unit. I took it off of this unit, but all we had to do was flip it over, flip the helmet up. This thing goes in like this, so name facing the back, goes down in, and you can see slides up in. Gotta get both sides though. Pretty easy if you don't do it every day. There it goes, just snapped up in with that little clip. So then what you do, you rotate that, and then your ISO headgear just slides down in, and it's actually slotted, and it'll slide down in until it clips. And then what you do, I didn't have it in the slot. There you go. So now you're back in business, and then you got your hard hat, and then just reverse that process to take it back out, and then you can put the ISO headgear back down in there, and you don't have to worry about having the hard hat adapter in there, which is it's heavy, but it's needed in some locations. So very nice. But what I like about it is just the feel, the ISO headgear. I have a Crystal 2.0, and with ISO headgear, great hood, fits nice. I do enjoy their old the original style headgear as well. It fits nice, it's comfortable, but this is just awesome because now you can flip up and down your ADF and it goes away. You know, it's really nice. It's first in the industry. Like I said, everything's replaceable lens. It's got an inner lens too on the inside of the welding hood there that you can change out. In the box we got the manual there on the hard hat. Came with a replacement grinding shield. And then the bottom, manual on the CLT Helix helmet, and then it came with a bag to put your helmet in. So great little package for what it is. I mean, if you need a hard hat and you're working in an industry that requires it, it's actually a pretty sweet hood. And the clarity, right, with the CLT, the Quattro, the 2.5, I mean, all those lenses you can get in this Helix. And you know, Optrel makes probably one of the best lenses on the market for clarity and just welding applications altogether. I mean, I love their Crystal 2.0, and you can get this in the 2.0 as well. So what I also love about this hood is that when we do flip down, it is the Panoramaxx lens. So, but you're getting, you know, the Quattro, the CLT, the 2.0, all that stuff in that lens. But it's that Panoramaxx lens, so it sits closer to your face, and you get that wide peripheral vision that you can see when you're welding, and that's awesome. I mean, when you put this on and you weld with a Panoramaxx, it changes a lot of things, what you see and what you can, the clarity level on it. So they put that in this Helix, so now we can just use that. And I mean, it's very nice how it works. If you can kind of see, see how it comes back up in. So it tucks away. You can't even touch that with your hand unless you get up in there, but when you're doing it, so that lever just gets it clearly out of there, and it doesn't obstruct anything. And if you don't need a hard hat, just get the Panoramaxx, and that's a great hood, or just take that hard hat adapter right out of there. But all in all, awesome hoods. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for some more.